see at which point does poetry do more than take you from point A to point B. Whispering.
Oh baby, things are changing now.
Ow!
I can't tell it. I'll be from here on out. Ooh, it's hell, knowing that for now we're turning kiss and tell, and it's so good, yeah. You walk up to me like a stranger, girl, and I already know your name. I can make it feel good if you want, yeah. Give me the time of day. Won't you listen to me here now? Cause I'll lay it down simple and plain. Oh, it'd be good to get together, girl, but it'll be so hard to maintain. Cause it seems like now, oh baby, things are changing now. I can't tell where I'll be from here on out. Ooh, it's hell, knowing that for now we shouldn't kiss and tell, and it's so good.
I want to surrender to you.
Is this good?
Keep singing, it sounds good.
I told you already, girl, that oh, I was so wrong. But that sweet, sweet love, it had me hanging on so strong. Now I know now, girl, that I can stand alone. I was put here on this earth by myself, yeah. Oh, I gotta keep moving on, cause it seems like now, oh baby, things are changing now. I can't tell where I'll be from here on out. Oh, it's hell, knowing that for now shouldn't kiss and tell when it's so good. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah, yeah.
There he was across the room, this butter pecan rubber, fresh out of the magazine. Smooth and premium, nice and smooth, refreshing. I poured some Haagen-Dazs. Made me want to grab a spoon and scoop a taste out. Held my breath with this freshness across my face. Delicious. Didn't need a dressing or sprinkles, but for damn sure he could get a once. Creation of divinity, created just for us. I thank God in one breath and that's forgiveness in another form. You missed that.
I think so.
You were jamming with me. Okay, go ahead. We gonna pause
So
that.
what-
We gonna stop
how
that and
far
start
down
over.
is
No,
this?
we were.
See, it's like open chord. It's like an open chord.
It won't stop.
I think
Pause
it's
and start
up.
over.
It won't
Like, I'll
stop.
give you an example.
No,